Spiritual empowerment can be understood as the process of deepening one's connection with the divine or transcendent aspects of existence, leading to a sense of inner strength, purpose, and fulfillment. It involves tapping into one's inner resources, wisdom, and spiritual practices to cultivate a greater sense of wholeness and alignment with higher truths or principles. Here are some ways to gain spiritual empowerment. Self-reflection and awareness. Start by reflecting on your beliefs, values, and experiences. Engage in practices such as meditation, journaling, or mindfulness to develop self-awareness and gain insight into your spiritual journey. Study and exploration. Delve into spiritual texts, teachings, and practices from various traditions that resonate with you. Explore different philosophies, religious texts, or spiritual literature to broaden your understanding and perspective. Connecting with spiritual empowerment involves engaging in practices and activities that nourish your soul, deepen your understanding of spirituality, and align you with your higher purpose. Here are some steps to help you connect with spiritual empowerment. Set your intention. Start by setting a clear intention to connect with your spiritual empowerment. Explore spiritual practices. Experiment with different spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, yoga, mindfulness, or breath work. Find practices that resonate with you and incorporate them into your daily routine. Cultivate mindfulness. Practice being present and aware in each moment. Cultivate mindfulness by paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment. This can help you connect with the deeper aspects of your being. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature to reconnect with the natural world and experience a sense of awe and wonder. Take walks in the forest, sit by the ocean, or simply spend time in your garden to experience the beauty and tranquility of nature. Seek inspiration. Seek inspiration from spiritual teachings, literature, art, music, or sacred texts. Find sources of wisdom and guidance that resonate with your spiritual journey and incorporate them into your life. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life. Keep a gratitude journal, and regularly reflect on the things you're thankful for. Gratitude can open your heart and enhance your connection with the divine. Serve others. Engage in acts of service and kindness towards others. Volunteer your time, offer support to those in need, and practice compassion and empathy. Serving others can be a powerful way to connect with your spiritual purpose and make a positive impact in the world. By incorporating these practices into your life with sincerity and dedication, you can deepen your connection with spiritual empowerment and experience greater fulfillment, purpose, and joy in your journey of self-discovery and growth. Thanks for joining us in this journey of divine declaration.